It's 2:31 in the morning. This has been going on since 8:25 p.m. last night. And people don't believe this stuff happens year round. You learn how to deal with it, and you also deal with the truth of the thing. It's called spiritual warfare. We have witches and warlocks doing stuff to try to irritate the heck out of someone like me, because I believe in Christ and I have a mark on my head because I believe in Jesus Christ. So when people like other foolish pastors or foolish people all together say this stuff don't happen, it does. There's other videos I did earlier giving my story a little bit. For I just got signed to live here another year. This will make my 7th year dealing with weird stuff like this. 7 years of your smoke detector going off all kinds of hours for no reason. And it's not for a little while. It's an all-night thing. I think they need energy right now, but like I said, I'm here for another year.